Frustrated by the Perception Simulation Extensions DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before starting the detailed Perception Simulation Extensions fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Perception Simulation Extensions, part of the Windows Mixed Reality Stack. This library manages the localized simulation of head tracking and controller input for HoloLens development environments. It facilitates localized spatial mapping data without the need for a physical VR headset. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now, so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Perception Simulation Extensions. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Perception Simulation Extensions file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Perception Simulation Extensions DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If you're addressing Perception Simulation Extensions inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. If your workstation is back online and Perception Simulation Extensions is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.